Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the console completely off. Hold the power button until it beeps twice, because rest mode won't enter safe mode. Once the PS4 is fully off, plug a dual shock 4 into the front USB port with a cable. Wireless won't register in safe mode. Make sure your controller is paired, or you'll be prompted to repair it. Also confirm you have account credentials and recent backups. Safe mode can alter database files and save data, so be prepared. Next, press and hold the console's power button for about 7 seconds until you hear a second beep, which signals the safe mode boot sequence. Once you hear that second beep, release the button and wait for the USB-connected controller prompt. Then press the PS button on the controller to proceed. The system boots with minimal drivers to protect data, so you'll see a black safe mode screen listing options like Restart, Change Resolution, and Rebuild Database. This is normal and intentional. Finally, choose the safe mode action you need. Select Rebuild Database to fix file errors, or initialize only if you accept data loss. Read prompts before confirming. If the menu doesn't appear, make sure the PS4 is truly off. Try a different USB cable or another front port, and retry the 7-second power hold. If problems persist, power cycle the console by unplugging for 60 seconds and try again. This often clears temporary hardware state issues without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.